Hello everyone. So we are studying Unit 1 of Information Technology subject, that is the Web Application Unit. 3 sessions we have already covered. Now today we'll be studying session 4, which is chatting with the contact in Google Talk. So basically, as I have already discussed in the previous sessions, that Google Talk and Yahoo and all these your instant messaging apps or softwares, they are not generally used nowadays, because nowadays we have apps like WhatsApp or Zoom for this purpose. But these were popular earlier, so we just need to have a gist of this, that how actually they work. And basically from this session, the question that can be asked is, what are the etiquettes of chatting? Okay, that we'll study further. So now whenever you want to chat uh, using Google Talk, I had already told you that first of all you should have Gmail account. Okay, then when you have Gmail account, and both the parties should have this app installed, Google Talk. So Google Talk is basically web based and application based, means you can download this Google Talk, install it in your computer and then use, or from your Gmail directly you can chat. So um, now first of all what happens is that whenever your friend is in the contact list, okay, and if that person is online, so this green light is there, okay, and if the person is offline, then it is red. So green means when you sign in and you see the person's name and in front of that green sign is there, then that means that the person is online and you can chat. So you can just start sending the text messages instantly by double clicking on the contact. Just you will double click on the name, okay, and then this chat window will appear, and then you can start chatting. You can call also, voice call, or you can send a voicemail. Okay, for call both the parties should be present at the same time, then only you can talk. And in voicemail what happens is that if the other party is not available at the same time, then you can send the voicemail and later on the person can listen to it. So this is what I was talking about, the general rules or etiquettes that you should follow while chatting. Okay. Now when you are chatting with friends, so these etiquettes don't apply there generally. But the thing is ki when you are chatting officially in job, or you have official group, then you should remember these rules or etiquettes. Okay. So first is, message should be short. So this rule is applicable for both when you are chatting with your friends or with or any official. Then also you should not write very long messages. Then you should always introduce yourself first, okay? Because it might or might not happen that the name that is displayed on the screen, okay, like here you can see here the name is not visible, like demo is written. So this is not your real name, you can write any name. So first of all you should introduce yourself in case you are not using your real name. Then you should always ask the person whether the person is available to chat or not. Okay, you might think that something you want to talk is very important, but it might be possible that the other person does not have the time at that moment. Okay, so you should always ask first. Then in a business environment you should know exactly what to discuss. Okay, you should not beat around the bush, you should know exactly what to discuss. Then typing your messages in uppercase is extremely rude. It is considered shouting and very aggressive. Okay, so whenever you want to write your messages, you should always use lowercase, that is small letters. Don't use uppercase until and unless it is something that has to be written in uppercase, like abbreviations and all. Other than that, you should avoid using that. Okay, give people time to respond. Okay, it's not that you have written something and just you want instantly the answer. Okay, it is instant messaging, but still there are some etiquettes that we should follow, so just give some time. Okay, so multiple questions sent to a recipient before they have had choice to answer can seem more like an interrogation. Okay, like suppose you have asked a question and the person is thinking about how to answer, and then you just shoot another question, now again another and another. So like 4 5 questions you have just asked one after the other, so that does not look nice. It is not considered as a good manner. So you should always ask one question, wait for the reply, and then ask another. Then, whenever possible, give the person you are communicating your undivided attention. It should not happen that like you can chat to multiple people at the same time. Okay, so it should not happen that whenever you are talking to a person, your attention should be undivided. The other person should not feel that too much time you are taking to reply or you are not interested in talking. Okay. So the last point is that you should always end your instant messaging conversation properly. Okay, you may think that the chat is over, but maybe that the other person may not think the same. Okay, so before going offline, you should always do the process properly. Okay, you should end the chat properly by good night or by take care or we'll talk later. In some good words you should use while ending your conversation. Then this was using the app, using the software that you can download. Now when you want to chat in Gmail, okay, then what you have to do is simply you will sign in your Gmail account, and then in the left side you will see your contacts. Okay, all the contacts as a data present, you can see over here green light means the person is available. Simply you can click on the name of the person, the window will open like this. Okay, and you will write whatever message you want. You can write over here, this is the smiley option, the emojis, you can insert the emojis, and then when you will press enter, the message will be sent. Similarly, if we are using Yahoo Messenger, then you should have what, you should have Gmail, you should have, similarly when we are chatting using Yahoo Messenger or Yahoo, then first of all we should have Ymail or Yahoo Mail account. Okay, the email ID should be on that. Then you have to download Yahoo Messenger and the other party should also have the same. Okay, and the process is the same, that you have to just log in, then the list of contacts will be present, the contacts that are available, those contacts will be shown on the first page, and whichever from whomsoever you want to talk, you can just click on the name and then you can chat. So basically this is the process that is followed on all the chatting applications. Okay, whether you can take anyone, Gmail, Yahoo Messenger, Windows Messenger, Skype, whatever you take, in all these the process is the same. So this is all about the session 4, and basically I told you that the important question that can be asked is the rules or the etiquettes while chatting on the internet. Okay, and if you have any problem then you can ask. Okay, thank you.